In this video, I'll show you how to clear your cookies in Google Chrome. If this guide helps you, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel so others can find it too. Okay, so remember that removing your cookies from Google Chrome is going to help you have a better performance in your computer overall, and it's also a way to protect your privacy. Doing it's very simple. All you need to do is to open up a new Google Chrome page like this one. And what you're going to do is to click on the three dots that you see right here on the right hand corner of your screen. Then you will get this drop down menu. Simply scroll down all the way to the bottom and click on settings. Under settings, you're going to select privacy and security right here on the left. And the first option you're going to see is going to say delete browsing data. Go ahead and select it. You can select your own time range. That means you can delete your cookies from the last hour, the last 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or your all-time cookies. If you don't want your browsing history to be deleted, simply check this little checkbox off, and that way you won't delete your history and your synced devices on your computer. If you also want to delete your cached images and files, you can select this little box right here. If you don't, simply mark it off. And to delete your cookies and other site data, this is going to be the checkbox that you need to mark. Right here at the bottom, Google Chrome is going to show you the email that you're using to delete your cookies from. Just make sure that you're using your correct email. And once you're ready, go ahead and click on delete data. This is going to take a few minutes to load. It all depends on the time range that you selected. But after you do that, your cookies will be deleted from Google Chrome. I hope this video helps you.